Guys, we have to talk about this. I shared this information with the Patreon earlier today, but I want to share it with you because you guys support me. I know you always like these videos, which I appreciate, and I know you are subscribed to my channel, but we're going to talk about this volume gap move that potentially Jasmy could make any day now. Okay, as I'm making this right now, Jasmy is trading at 2,388. Okay, I'm gonna point out some things that makes me very bullish and feeling really good about Jasmy right now. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. Definitely do your own research and do what's best for you and your family at the end of the day. But guys, you can see the stochastic. This is a daily time frame is high. So momentum is going up. Just because this is high does not mean it's time to sell. Okay, that's one indicator. Usually when the stochastic gets to a high point, it tends to curl over, the asset moves down. But for Jasmy, I don't think that's the case right now. Okay, again, trading at 2,390, right under 2,4 for Jasmy. The other positive thing that I like about Jasmy right now is we have created positive divergence right over here. The RSI has made higher highs, higher lows, okay, right here. And the asset, these two white arrows, made a lower low. Positive divergence, bullish, asset moves higher. And I think it's just getting started. The other positive thing that I see with Jasmy right now, on a daily time frame, we're trading above the 21 EMA. Very good sign. You could see every time we get back above it, we tend to rally. That was short-lived. You could see we consolidated, had a nice little push up again, a couple days later, and then crashed down. This one, very interesting. We got back above the 21 EMA and we rallied for weeks. Actually, to tell you the exact dates, guys, we rallied from May 15th all the way to June 7th. So about 3 weeks from this point to this point, Jasmy was very bullish. Notice these white arrows right here also with the RSI stochastic, and over there to the right side, RSI, the stochastic and the RSI, same exact spots. Got back above the 21 EMA, got back above the 21 EMA, volume gap. Third or fourth positive thing that I'm sharing with you guys. Please, if you have not liked the video, drop a like. This is really, really important information. And I need more people to see this so they can start to understand how crypto and stocks move. We have no volume in this area. You can see the next peak of volume is right here. Well, guess what, guys? This is around 3 cents, which I've been talking about also. And I don't have a Fibonacci up on this screen, but on my side, I'll tell you that this is the 50 on a fib right here. So for these reasons that I've listed, guys, I feel really good about Jasmy right now, okay? It's very simple, the way I teach this stuff. Again, if you want to support the channel, if you want to learn more about this with other cryptos and stocks, you can join the Patreon down below. I have all the tiers open. So there's about 6 different tiers that you can choose from. I will be closing some of those tiers at the end of August. I think it's very, very crucial you start to understand what's about to happen in September, October, November, and December, especially with elections and interest rates, and really what cryptos are going to have massive moves. And I'm going all in on this thing, and I'm gonna be telling you guys when I'm buying, when I'm selling. This is the time where you can get massive profit, but you have to be in the right cryptos and you have to understand what you're doing. Another thing I would be looking for, guys, with Jasmy are Keltner lines. You could see these yellow lines right here. When we get to a high point and we get pretty overbought, I'll just tell you the RSI. Another thing that I'll just give you guys is when the RSI gets above, for Jasmy, above like 80 to 85, it's pretty overbought. This is what happened over here. Plus we were touching the yellow Keltner line multiple times and the stochastic was starting to curl. So this is a good indicator to tell you when to sell. We use this, we use Fibonacci. So there might be a good trading opportunity very soon for Jasmy if you're trying to sell at a certain price and buy back in on the pullback, because that will definitely come, okay? And I'm not super bullish as of right now that Jasmy, just based off this, is just gonna go straight up. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think this is gonna move in an Elliott wave type pattern, which I've shared with you guys, and I'll be giving you more updates on this on future videos, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. But I just wanted to tell you this real quick. This open gap of volume, it could be good, where we could have a fast move up to 3 cents. So just be aware of that. Again, my bags are packed. I'm not buying any more Jasmy right now, but I might trade some of it depending how stochastic RSI looks on a daily, weekly time frame when we get up here, and using Fibonacci and things like that, 21 EMAs, a lot of different indicators. You got to practice this stuff and you start to understand it, and then you feel more comfortable buying different stocks in crypto. Appreciate you all. I hope you're having a great Saturday, and we will see you tomorrow.